Hello and welcome to this midday market mood check with me Nandita Khemka and my colleague Yatin Mota. Well, Yatin, the kind of run that we had seen on the Nifty over the last 2-3 sessions has completely faded. We've dropped below that 18,000 mark, and in fact now I think we were somewhere around 17,950, which was near about the session low as we speak. And what's not doing that well today is the entire banking pack. Nifty Bank is down somewhere around 1%, Nifty PSU Bank is also down, and the Realty stocks are also not doing all that well. Nestle is among the top losers on the Nifty today. The management has said that the volumes have seen a deceleration, in fact moderation, not deceleration, and that is on the back of price hikes that they took on low unit packs, and that has overshadowed the improvement in margins, which is why the stock is under pressure today. Among the losers, we have the life insurance firms also not doing that well. HDFC Life, SBI Life. Then we have IT stocks also slipping into profit booking. We have Wipro, TCS, Infosys, all of them trading in the red. What's doing okay today is the energy basket. ONGC is among the gainers, and cement also as a pack is doing well. Ultratech Cement was among the top Nifty gainers. Yatin, in the mid-cap universe, the index is underperforming today, but there are a lot of individual movers on the back of news flow. For instance, the Minda Corp and Pricol duo, both the stocks are under pressure right now. Tell us about the hostile takeover bid that's going on between these two.
We spoke to the management of Pricol, and obviously this comes on the back of a stake purchase of nearly 15% by Minda Corporation, which is a listed auto ancillary. The Pricol management said that they were not aware of such stake buy from Minda Corporation. And they are not willing to sell their stake in the open market or otherwise, because they are a debt-free company and the promoters are fully confident about the business. However, when a company which is not ready to give over control and another competitor buys stake in that company, it is more or less a hostile takeover or a preparation of a takeover. So there has been speculation in the market. Obviously, we are not able to contact the management of Minda Corporation. However, in the exchange filing right now, Minda Corporation has said that they have bought shares of Pricol worth 400 crores, which translates into 14.7% equity, and it's mere a financial investment. Now it remains to be seen whether or not Minda plans to hike the stake, give an open offer, try to negotiate with the promoters of Pricol to sell out, or they are looking at a hostile takeover or a board seat. So a lot of unanswered questions, and obviously when you talk to Pricol, they do not have any clue. So it's up to Minda now as to how really do they respond to the situation. But yes, both the stocks, Minda Corporation and Pricol, were in focus today morning after the deals, and both stocks are right now soft in trade. And the markets also have been very lackluster in terms of price action.
Boring session this Friday. But aside of that, the other Nifty 500 losers today are Capri Global, Ipca Labs on the back of weak earnings. Adani Total Gas, Adani Transmission are once again among the losers on the Nifty 500. Vodafone Idea rather, is also slipping in trade. They have lost out on subscribers to Bharti Airtel and Jio, and on the back of that, the stock is under pressure. And among the Nifty 500 gainers, we have Shilpa, Medicare, we have TCNS Clothing, BASF, Schaeffler reported great set of numbers. That's also reacting to it. And Home First, Bharat Dynamics, that stock was up somewhere around 10 to 12% yesterday, and it is extending that run and is above, in fact is up 4% today as well. And all these defense stocks have been doing pretty well on the back of the MOUs that they are inking in that Aero India show. Aside of that, Yatin, I think in the second half we will have to wait and watch if the Nifty can make an attempt to reclaim that 18,000 mark. We have to remember that the global cues are also pretty weak, given the fact that one of the Fed members have said that you never know, in the March policy they may hike rates by 50 basis points and not 25 basis points. Given the
that is always the thing to watch out for. But today we have cement counters, and before we wrap up, just to tell that we have an antique broking note which said that Pan India cement prices are up to 15 rupees per bag, and this hike comes after a lag of or probably a pause of 3-4 months. The highest obviously price hike is in West India, followed by South and North markets, where the hike is anywhere between 5 to 10 rupees a bag. And the cement dealers are now hopeful that cement companies will be able to pass on the price hikes and at least sustain the price hike. So that is the reason why we have the likes of Ultratech Cement, Heidelberg Cement, JK Cement, JK Lakshmi Cement. Most of the cement companies, be it large ones or small ones, are anywhere up between 2 to 4%. Also we had Sagar Cement, which is up on the back of the news, but that stock is also up 7-8%. So cement stocks in generally are in focus on the back of those price hikes which have been announced yesterday midnight.
Right, so those are all the gainers and losers in today's session, but I think it's a wrap from us then on this midday market mood check. But for all your other financial news, keep following Money Control.